There is no doubt that some of the most difficult, most complicated cases that I have ever handled have been brain damage and paralysis cases. These cases involve incredibly serious injuries. They're incredibly important. They're critical to the families. And they're also medically very complicated. And they involve some common issues that, in my experience, defense attorneys are able to take advantage of in ways that really hurt the injured victims, unless the plaintiff's lawyer really has a deep understanding of these cases and how these kinds of injuries affect not only the injured victim but the families. We have developed some strategies, some very specific strategies over the last couple of decades to deal with the common ways that defense attorneys try to take advantage of victims in these situations. And we've had some great success. The most important cases of my career, most of them have involved brain injury and paralysis. And not only proving the mechanism, whether it's a product defect or a car crash or something else, but the mechanism of injury and proving how the defendant's fault caused the exact injury that we're seeing, but also getting a fair and just recovery, which is very difficult to do because the numbers involved are staggering, and it is just so hard for the average person to understand what it takes to get optimal care for someone in this situation. And that's what we want, optimal care, not the most cost-effective care or the care that the defendant wants to pay for, or the cheapest possible care that some insurance company wants to pay for, or totally inadequate care. There are so many things available now with modern technology most families don't even know about. The doctors don't tell them about it. Sometimes they don't know about it. But many times it's just not a realistic hope because of cost. And our job is to figure out what those things are and find a way to get those types of medical treatments for our clients. And once we get a really, really stellar recovery for a family, I've seen how it changes lives. I mean, it totally changes how it is to live with these conditions. It gives people new hope, new life, and it changes the family too, because these type of injuries really can be hell on the families. We've developed a specialty in these type of cases, and we know what we have to prove to the jury. We've never lost one.